It's your boy Jay Will back with another video. Just shooting a quick video because a lot of people been DMing me on Instagram asking a lot of questions. So I'm gonna show an example of one of the campaigns I'm currently running right now. Let's get it. Okay, we're gonna go here to Digistore first. The product I'm promoting is the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. If you go to the affiliate support page, they literally give you the exact tools to be successful. They give you a landing page, they give you ad copies, they give you PPC ads, Facebook ads, everything you need. Right here, they show the autoresponder you would need. Active campaign, but you don't have to use active campaign. I have my active campaign account right here. As you can see, I have 749 contacts. No, they show you exactly how to set the funnel up, download the funnel to your ClickFunnels account, set up the email list. This is the exact email you need to send out for the free recipe book. I'm doing this exact thing they show on here. Nothing different. This is how I'm making money with this. It shows how to run Google ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, anything you need. We're in Microsoft ads. I decided to use Microsoft ads instead of Google ads. I could move this campaign over to Google. But as you see, I have 7 clicks today, 90 impressions so far. I spent about $2.51. I have about 1, 2, 3 ads running so far with this keto diet. Today, tracking it with ClickMagick, I have earned 2 sales. You guys can see these are the sales with upsells. These are the amounts. Okay, we're gonna calculate these amounts on my phone here. 21.85 plus 75.09 plus 21.85 plus 75.09 plus 28.12. As you can see, $222 all today, minus $2.51. $2.51. So far, profit is about $219 for the day. If you go to the affiliate support page, they have a list of keywords you can use. I suggest using exact match rather than phrase match, so you can get exact target clicks rather than a bunch of random clicks. And this is my campaign. It's exactly how I'm making sales, so you guys can do the exact same thing that I'm doing and make the same amount of money. I'm not doing anything special, nothing sacred. I'm doing exactly what they ask me to do as far as promoting. In the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. But how the whole funnel works is you offer them a free keto diet recipe, which the affiliate offers to you to offer to them. Once they opt in to your campaign with the autoresponder is set to automatically send them out an automatic message of the free keto book, and it sends them directly to the sales page. So that's how you get the sales, and usually it's an upsell. It's been upselling pretty good so far, so you guys should be able to make a lot of money with this campaign. Just go and test it out, try it out.